Hello everyone, this is Nidhi from Bhavya Machine Tools. We are here at SteelFeb 2026 in Sharjah, showcasing our latest engineering solutions. So come, let's have a look at our stall.
Dear visitors and partners, thank you for visiting our stall at SteelFeb 2026. We look forward for more collaborations and will definitely see you in the future.